Sorkar Jilla Mentakasingi ka Apupra Tarik Kala Lingkot Kala Pembina ka election Chaga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council in Pelonga ka Kandai Tarik Ubana Yayong Mentau Snem. Habakran Chikilat Pathai Kubor Usimbot Mentri Rangba ka Jilla Ba Preston Tinsong Ulaythu Bayakani ka Rai la Ajing Menjor Taka Kenhu Mentri Hakabaya ka election in Penyat Taka Tanat District Council Affairs Bat ka Jing Pelut Nakamantagani ka election Kanlong Khatsan Klor Tingka.
Conduct of the general elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. I would like to inform you that the Cabinet has decided like this, as follows. Cabinet has decided as follows. Publication of draft electoral roll. Publication of draft electoral roll will be on the 4th February 2021. Draft electoral roll publication will be on the 4th February 2021. Last date for filing claims and objections will be on the 18th February 2021. Disposal of claims and objections will be on the 1st March 2021. Then, notification for calling the constituencies to elect their representative will be on the 8th March 2021. Means the notification for election to the general election to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council will be on the 8th March 2021. And let me repeat, from that day, from 8th March 2021, the moment notification comes out, Model Code of Conduct will be in place. The Model Code of Conduct will be in place from the 8th March 2021 to the entire Garo Hills District Council area. Next, last date for filing nomination will be on the 15th March 2021. Date of scrutiny of nomination papers will be on the 15/3/21 at 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of nomination papers will be on the 19th March 2021. Finalization and publication of valid nomination and allocation of Sambal will be on the 22nd March 2021. Date of poll 9 April 2021 from 7 a.m. in the morning up to 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and date of counting will be on the 14th April 2021. The detailed expenditure, because it seems it was little in the higher side, but more or less, I should just say, more or less, though I will not be able to tell you exactly what is the amount, but more or less maybe about 15 crores is required. 15 crores is required.
So is this because of the ongoing COVID pandemic?
Yes, exactly. It's because of that. Because there are so many SOPs to be issued by the health department.